Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are a friend or family member and you personally know Brittany, I hope that you enjoy this slideshow that I put together in honor of her. If you are one of my followers, I would like to apologize for not having any content or videos uploaded in the last month and a half. I needed a break because uploading 7 videos every day or, every week for a year took it out of me. I took a little break. The first week in January, I was pretty okay. Then I got sick. Then we had a blizzard. Then I got really depressed because the young man that murdered my sister had a court date and he took a plea. And he will be sentenced in March. So if you could please keep my family, my mom, my sister Brianna, my brother Ben, all 5 of her children, all of her loved ones, if you could keep us all in your prayers. It's been a very, it has touched everyone's life that I know that knew Brittany. We will never be the same. She was an incredible person. She was beautiful. I don't want to waste any more of your time. I want you to enjoy this video. So please, I'm not speaking at all through the next few slides, but I do have a brief summary of what's going on in each one and who the people are. They're all very special to her. So I hope that you enjoy this memorial in honor of Brittany. And I do have a video at the end that I will have linked on the screen that you can click on that explains what happens when we die. Because when she was murdered and passed, I knew she was going to a better place, but I didn't have any scriptural proof of that. And the last couple of months, I've done some real serious research and deep dives on what happens when we die. And there's some people that think we sleep, and there's all kinds of things out there. But I have a video that I made for you that specifically speaks about exactly what the scriptures say happens when we pass. So if you're interested in that, please click on that video at the end of this beautiful memorial for my sister Brittany. And thank you so much. If you want to put any comments for her, please feel free. I welcome them. And thank you for your time. Enjoy.
She's dancing with a stripper.